Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You will also need a clean cloth for any internal cleaning. Start by unplugging your Vitamix to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base of the blender. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located at the bottom. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. Now locate the clutch assembly. This is usually situated near the motor. Inspect the area for any debris or buildup that may have accumulated over time. It's a good idea to clean this area with a cloth to ensure optimal performance once the new clutch is installed. If you find that the clutch is damaged or worn out, it's time to replace it. Carefully disconnect the old clutch by using your flathead screwdriver to pry it off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. Once the old clutch is removed, take your new clutch and align it with the motor shaft. Push it down gently until it clicks into place. Ensure it is securely fitted, as a loose clutch can lead to further issues down the line. Before reassembling the base, double-check that everything is clean and that the new clutch is properly installed. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your Vitamix serviced without any hassle. Now, it's time to reattach the base. Align it with the blender body and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the base. After the base is reattached, plug in your Vitamix and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can make an informed decision about your Vitamix repair without any pressure. Enjoy your perfectly blended smoothies with your newly repaired Vitamix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.